I think we're living through a period of human history that in 100 years' time is going to be looked back on as the most singularly important evolution in human communications. And the first and most obvious and most famous is social networking. A lot of people say, is that just a bit of a fad? I think it's nothing of the sort. So like yo-yo, fad. Disco balls, unfortunately just a fad. But you know, the telephone, it's kind of always going to stick around. Email, it's always going to stick around. And social networking, it's always going to stick around because of the way it facilitates human interaction and the forming of groups. 43% of workers will send the wrong information to clients every week. 43% of us. Deals are lost on that stuff. Like projects sink on that stuff because we can't connect the right people with the right stuff at the right time. But with a technological infrastructure that takes something like a social network and makes it searchable inside an organisation, you can find ways of getting around that stuff. Knowledge aggregation is simply the act of taking what I know and putting it somewhere where you can add what you know and we're smarter as a group than we are as individuals. It's the wisdom of crowds. Jimmy Wales says of Wikipedia, imagine a world in which every person on Earth is given access to the sum total of all of human knowledge for free. That's what we're doing, and I'd put that question to a slightly different way. Imagine an organisation in which every staff member is given access to the sum total of knowledge of all of that organisation for free at their desk and at their fingertips. I think the real power of this as knowledge management infrastructure is that it lets us do three things. It lets us capture the smarts of our people, wiki style. It lets us people access smarts at the right time, kind of social network style, and it allows us to leverage that wisdom. Quite self-evidently, I'm pretty excited about this stuff. Like it's an amazing time to be in business with these sorts of tools. The choice is not, are we affected by it or not? The choice is, do we embrace it or not?